Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to move your Litecoin from Trust Wallet to Uphold for trading or storage. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step. It's simpler than you think, and I'll make sure you avoid common pitfalls. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have both Trust Wallet and Uphold apps installed on your device, and that your accounts are set up and verified. This is crucial for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Litecoin wallet. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that you have enough Litecoin to cover the withdrawal amount plus any network fees. Next, switch over to your Uphold app or website. Log in, go to your wallet section, and select Litecoin. Copy the Litecoin deposit address provided by Uphold. This address is unique, so don't share it with anyone. Pro tip: always verify the network. Litecoin uses the Lieutenant Kernel network, so make sure it's set correctly to avoid lost funds. Now, head back to Trust Wallet. Tap on the Litecoin you want to withdraw, then select the Send or Withdraw option. Paste the Uphold address into the recipient field, enter the amount you wish to transfer, and review the transaction details, including fees. In 2025, fees can fluctuate, so aim for off-peak times to save costs. Before confirming, double-check everything. Wrong addresses can mean permanent loss. Hit send, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Once approved, the transaction will process on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Uphold account to confirm the deposit. Congrats! You've successfully withdrawn your Litecoin. Remember, always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication and keeping your apps updated. If you run into issues, reach out to customer support or check community forums. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.